Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. So by the title below, you guys already know what I'll be doing in today's video. I'm back with another Temu unboxing for you guys. So if you don't know what is Temu is an online marketplace where you can go to find every single thing. You name it, Temu have it. Whether for your pet, your baby, your car, your bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, etc. So while I open this package, I want to answer a few questions that you guys asked on my previous Temu haul. And yes, I said previous Temu haul. So if you didn't watch it, you can go and check it out and come back to this one. So you guys asked how I get them to ship my package to Jamaica because you're not seeing Jamaica as an option. I would advise you to sign up with a shipping company. Your shipping company is going to provide you with an address. You're going to use that address that your shipping company gave to you and put it in the Temu app when ordering for your product to be shipped to the address. Then you can pick up your package from your shipping company. Use the link in my description box to download the Temu app to get $100 coupon bundle for all users, a matter of fact. Also, search my code to find these beautiful items that I'll be showing you guys. So let's get right into it. So the first thing is this nut ball. No man, look at this guys. Look at the quality. It's so cute and classy. Normally I'm not a texture person, but I love how this one feels. I love it. This is cute. So the next item are these Grout Pen. I'm super excited for these. I'm going to use it and show you guys what it's giving. So you know how sometimes your grout line just want a little touch up, like in the bathroom, the kitchen, or even on the floor. So you can just mark it. And it comes with some extra tip. I love that. Yeah, these. And it's 3 of them. These grout line wanted a little bit of touching up. So just gonna shake it down and mark it. Whoa. Oh, I love this. Oh, I know what this is. So this is a Satin Bunnet. Love the quality. So I have the pink from Temu in a smaller size. So I got this one to put my braids in. Oh no, girl love braid. Guys, it looks weird now, but I just want to show you what it's giving. These are table runner. This is so cute. It's giving classy. I love it. What? No guys, get into the detail. Look at it. It's so thick. No man, I love this. And it's the right length for my table as well. Guys, these are some dish towel. Get into the detail. So it looks like a little waffle. That's what you call it, a little waffle texture. Love these. Let me show you the size. So this is the size. So that's some little dish towel. I'm gonna stack these up in. You guys will see how I decorate the place. How much are them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. Is it 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So moving on are these wooden bead that you use to decorate. I've always wanted one of these that you put around your vase. So I'm excited for this one. This is giving classy. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with them, but when I insert the image, you'll see how they are used. So this box is already open, so let us just pull it out. Oh, this is a tray, a cup tray, a snack tray, whatever you guys want to put on it. I love the color. This is nice. Comment and let me know what would you guys use it for. I got some cute little handles for it as well. So I'm gonna put it on. This can be used for a lot of stuff. Alright, so I might need a screwdriver for this one. I don't have any screwdriver around now, but this is what it would look like. See? Comes with some screw. So let us move on. I love these stuff, guys. These are really cute. Let us see what this is. Oh, these are some bathroom mats. Hello. So this is the size of the big one and the size of the small one. Love it. Feels so good. It's so soft. And this is the back. I think this one you'd put in front of the bath, and then this one in front of the face basin or the toilet. So it's a two-piece. So this is a wooden calendar. Let us look at it. So these right here are the months and the days. But this is too cute. What? I love the white and the gold. They complement each other. And then the little black writing on the cards. This would look so good in an office or on a computer table. You get the vibe, guys. So I'm assuming that you'd put the month here. So it's November and today is, so I'm gonna put a random day. Wait, can you open it? Oh yeah. Oh! Yeah. So this is what it would look like. Please remember to use my code. Also download the Temu app using the link in my description box to get $100 coupon bundle. Oh, this is a headband, I think. Yep. So this is a headband and a wristband for when you're doing your, you know, your face routine and you don't want the water to run down. So you put on these like so. I love these. These are cute. And I love that it is white. Yeah. So you put on your wristband when you don't want the water to run down. So this will absorb all the water in it. All information will be in my description box, guys, so check it out. So next item, is this bag. I love these colors together. I love the dark green, and then what kind of green is this? It looks like mint green, and then you have this khaki looking green. Guys, don't hold me to the colors, but you get what I'm saying. So I have two pockets outside. You have this part for juice, so it's on both sides. And then inside the bag, looks like this. And then you get this little teddy to put on the bag. It's like a little keyring. This is it, guys. You know what I I'm going to the market, I can just throw everything inside my bag and leave the house. It's cute, it's cute. Let us see. What are these? Ooh, satin. Oh, these are some satin pillowcases. I've never owned a satin pillowcase, so I'm excited for these. And I think this is a queen size. It feels like a queen size, but let me check. Yeah, I think it's a queen size. Yeah, I think it's a queen size. These are some kitchen curtains. So it's 2 pieces. This is the length of it. I love these. I can pull off something nice with this. And I love the quality. Again, the quality is really nice. Love it. Yeah. So I can just put it through this and gather the top up like this. No, I love this. I'm gonna pull off something nice with this. This is gonna look good with some red. You can imagine if you have like some dish towel in this color. You know how cute that gonna look? Hello. I just need a little bit of red and a little bit of green. You know, some Christmas decor with this. Gonna look good. Alright, moving on. So this is a t-shirt. No, let me not say anything. Let me just show you guys. Look at this quality shirt. This is so cute. And you see what right on it? God is good all the time. Look at the quality of the shirt. No, wait, let me show you. Look at the stitch. You guys seen it? I think this is my favorite. And I love how smooth the writing is. I really love this one. This is so cute. This I got add to my little collection of favorite t-shirts. So this is the last item that I have to open. I went ahead and opened it already, but these are some fake plant. This is gonna look so good on a computer table or in an office. Just guys, look at this. No, look at this. You see how these complement each other? No, wait. This is so cute. Not only one, but 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. That was the last item that I unboxed. But comment and let me know what you guys like, what you guys think about these stuff. I love these. This look like lavender. This one looks to me like eucalyptus. I don't know all of them guys, but they're cute. This look like a little fern or something. They are so cute. And I just love the little white cup thingy that they're in. It just gives it a little classy look. Everything is just so cute. I love them. Y'all need to stop sleeping on Temu because Temu have really nice quality stuff. Anyways, beautiful people, this is the end of my video. Comment and let me know what was your favorite product that I unboxed, and also remember to use the link in my description box to download the Temu app to get $100 coupon bundle and search my code to shop these beautiful pieces that I got. Talk to me in the comment section. Do you guys want more Temu hauls? What's your favorite product I unboxed? And let me know. If you have any questions, go ahead and type them in the comment section and I'll answer them. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for track the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. Bye guys.